You are invited to the WOW stage in Rockport from May 13th to May 15th. Are you craving connection? Connection to yourself, connection to others, connection to music and the arts, connection to nature? Then come. Are you wishing you had the opportunity, the space and the opportunity to express yourself creatively through writing, painting, art, singing, if you so choose? Or do you want to just be a witness to those things? Then come. Are you longing for the opportunity to be empowered and inspired to overcome obstacles that lie between you and your wildest dreams? If you said yes, then please come to the WOW stage. On this website, you will find out about everything that's going to occur during this weekend of wonder, this magical weekend of wonder. There are things for you as an individual, things that you can bring someone to, like a partner or a friend, and there's even transformational workshops for family. You will also learn about the events that are on either end. Everything will be on this website. So check it out, learn, see what a la carte combination you are drawn to, and you can use the registration form in order to fill out anything for events that you're going to be signing up for that are more than one, or if you're just choosing one, you can choose the option for that. Whatever it is, I just can't wait to see you and have you be a part of this weekend. See you soon. Bye.